up, guys? My name is Danny Fanibo, and I am right here with my lovely mom. My mom's birthday was just the other day. What, you don't want me to tell everyone your birthday?
Go ahead.
She's not 80 years old, as I said before.
I'm 25.
She's 25 going on 100. So anyways, we're gonna make a smoothie. She's been asking me to make a smoothie. And I'm gonna try to keep the smoothie as simple as possible for her so that way she gets the basics down. For me personally, I think the key to a smoothie is consistency. So you don't wanna make it too watery, so be mindful of what you're putting in, and then as your base, you wanna put in like some sort of liquid, and we'll get to that in a few. So what we have here is we have 2 kiwis, we have 2 bananas, and how many strawberries did you prep?
10.
10. So we have 10 strawberries, but they still have the little leafy things that we're gonna have to get rid of. And then we have, she wanted to put some pineapple. I really don't put pineapple, so it may taste different from what I'm used to.
Okay, do it and then we can do the pineapple.
We'll do the pineapple. So the first things first is we're gonna go ahead and put, are you gonna plug that in for me, please? Now, I don't really use this big of a knife just to cut things because I'm afraid that I'm gonna cut myself. I'm not advanced in the whole cooking spectrum.
What happens?
So we're gonna go ahead and just cut the center of our kiwi. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and scoop out the kiwi with a spoon, just makes it a lot easier. I also use a teaspoon too. This is way too big for the kiwi, so teaspoon is all that's needed.
You have to clean your hands.
Look at her, she's being motherly. You have to clean your hands.
Okay, go ahead and use them all dirty.
Let me get an actual teaspoon. Not working. We don't have any clean teaspoons.
We do.
So we're gonna go ahead and continue.
I washed dishes. Here you go.
Well, it's too late now. Okay, so that was the first one. This is our second kiwi being scooped in now with a teaspoon. When was the last time you made a smoothie?
3 weeks ago.
And how did that come out?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Well, why do you think you
didn't? Because I
didn't
didn't know
like
what I was doing.
But why do you think you
Because
didn't
I didn't
like
go on Pinterest and check.
Well, was it too watery? Was it too...
It didn't have flavor. I didn't use a liquid base. I just threw it kind of all together.
And it came out too pulpy probably, right?
Yeah, it was too pulpy.
All right, so once you get the kiwi in there, that's the first step. You could put the ingredients any way that you want, but always put the liquid after, and then put your ice after. So next are the bananas. I like to put 2 bananas because I like the banana flavor, so that's probably gonna overpower. Are you okay with that?
No, I like banana.
So now this is where you gotta be very careful with cutting.
That one you don't need to do that many slices.
Well,
I have a very powerful...
it's not about the power, it's about real estate. It's all about the real estate, what you put into it, because it's gonna not accommodate other ingredients that are needed inside. May I have a regular knife, please?
A regular knife?
No, actually, here.
You want a small one? Look, this one?
One of these will do.
Okay.
Because I don't want to cut myself with that one. All right, so that's done. Got the bananas. Next are the strawberries. These have been pre-washed. And then I just cut off the ends like so, just to make it easier to put inside. Because usually I would go ahead and take off the leaves and...
You didn't ask me to.
See how it's already being compacted with a lot of the ingredients and the... So you want to make sure that you cut up the pieces as much as possible to fit anything else you want to put in there. So that's all done. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the pineapple.
Well, why don't you do it without the pineapple?
You don't want pineapple in
No,
it?
no,
Well,
that'll overpower.
Well, let's have, I'm interested in the pineapple
Okay.
now that you actually put in there. So let's put in 5 pineapple slices, and that's it. Next thing is you want to put your base, which is your liquid. The base, the liquid, I like to use almond milk, so many other people like to use regular milk. But we try to keep things healthier, at least I do. So the almond milk, you gotta shake up. Now on your actual blender, you're gonna see the levels like 16. I found that if you put 16, it's going to be a little bit too thick. But again, it all depends on what you're putting in. So we'll go ahead and start with 16. And then if we need to put in a little bit more, we put in a little bit more. So the next thing is you want to get ice. I personally don't like to put too much ice, because what happens when you put too much ice is it starts to become watered down. All right, so I think that's good. Are we forgetting anything?
I don't know. You're the one that's doing. It's your smoothie,
So-
and you're showing me how to make. You don't put no cinnamon, no vanilla, no.
Actually, do you have any vanilla extract? I like to put vanilla extract because it adds a little kick of vanilla
I may.
flavoring.
Let's see.
But if you don't, that's fine. And great thing about smoothies is you could make it any way that you want. You could experiment, put all the ingredients that you want to taste.
You want how much you're gonna put? A teaspoon. Oh, there's a teaspoon.
Like
right
a
there.
capful. I usually put a capful because this is actually really
It's strong.
All right. Okay.
Close it right.
We're gonna do a close-up shot of this real quick. So there's your ingredients inside of the blender. So you got the
I'm talking about that
1,
one.
2, and 3. So we're gonna go ahead and crush it first. You mind holding that for me? And so we're gonna go ahead and crush it first. Starting off with the first one. Working your way up. That Ninja really works. 1,500 watts of power right there. So let's go ahead and give it a first taste test. And it's a little chunky. We may need to blend it a little bit more, but
Put a little bit in case we need to blend it more.
we shall see. Okay, go ahead and
Pour me some.
give the first official taste test. Here, this is yours.
Okay, this is fine. Let's see.
What is it? What do you think it needs? Is it too thick? Does it need more flavor of
It
certain?
needs more flavor.
Flavor of what?
I think banana.
One more banana, you think? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut another banana. Go ahead and hold that. Luckily, we have one more banana.
I think next time, cut it down to. You said it was 16 that you put.
Yeah.
I want them thicker, but this is good.
Okay. All right.
If you put too much ice, it dilutes the flavor. But I guess I'm used to drinking real sweet drinks and smoothies, and this is more natural, so it's not going to be as sweet.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, this is round 2. Let's see how your taste buds react this time. I think they're gonna go in overdrive.
We forgot the kale and the spinach.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I usually put kale. It's not too late. Did you want to put kale? Get that extra boost of energy, or
No. I like it this way.
does it taste good? I like to use fresh kale. We went to the store and we got some kale, but she bought the frozen kind. So it's whatever you want to put in there. Fresh for me is always better, but does it taste good?
It tastes good. It's not sweet. It's not supposed to be real sweet,
Well,
right?
let me see.
It's not supposed to be real sweet,
Well,
right?
let me see, your taste buds might be different from mine.
Well, it's because I like sweet. It's not sweet.
This is actually really good.
It is good. I'm just saying it's not sweet.
It's not, well, to me it's sweet. It has more of a, come on, you're out of the camera.
Oh,
You don't have to hold this anymore.
okay, good, because my hands are.
This has more of like not a tartar, more of a,
Yeah, a little bit of tarty, not too much though.
yeah, but I think it has a good taste, but you know, your taste buds will be different. So when you make your own smoothies, you adjust it to your own taste buds. This tastes fine to me. She wants the whole
No, you know what
sugar
happened? No.
and-
I think what happened is that we put the pineapple. The pineapple makes it more tarty. So if we would have taken out the pineapple, we would have tasted more banana, and of course the banana, they're ripe, so they would have been sweet. It would have been sweeter.
Sweeter, yeah.
But
All right.
tastes good.
Well, there you have it. That is the smoothie. And
Cheers.
I'll put the recipe up on the website, veggiediary.com. So in the meantime, thanks for joining us in my brother's kitchen, because she has no home right now. She's in the process of looking for a house.
This is my kitchen temporarily right now.
So, talk to you soon. Any last words? Any last questions?
Well, we'll be doing plenty of smoothies from now on.
And other awesome meals we'll try to cook.
He's gonna come and try to teach me how to cook healthier.
Healthier and delicious. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.
Okay, cheers. Cheers. Thank you.
All right.
gonna pour me some more.